Hi everyone, my name is Elena and I am a peer supporter and I am super excited to be here because I love mental health and physical health because in order to live the life you want to live, achieve your goals, be who you want to be, feel good and get the most out of life, you got to focus on your mental and physical health. So that's why I'm here today and right now I'm going to be discussing anxiety. Oh, anxiety. I personally have struggled a lot. I still do struggle with anxiety, but I have I used to get a lot of panic attacks very often, and I've very rarely get panic attacks now. So I have a lot of experience with anxiety, and it is tough. It is really tough to struggle with anxiety. So I get that, and I have some tips for you with how to handle it. So if you're feeling anxious, feeling a little panicky, first thing to do is just kind of stop and breathe. Breathe, take a deep breath, and relax your body as you exhale. And just do that for a little bit. Take some deep breaths and relax your body, right? Because when we are feeling anxious and really stressed out, it is our bodies kind of get stressed out with us, and a lot of anxiety lives in our body. So when we relax our body, it kind of gives your mind permission to relax a little bit too. So step one is just take some deep breaths and relax. And also by focusing on your breath, you are coming back to the present moment, which is the whole goal. When you're feeling anxious, you're all focused on what's going to happen. You're worried and you're thinking all these crazy thoughts, and you need to come back to the present moment, and that's what helps you calm down and collect yourself, right? So step one, breathe, relax your body. Step two is to accept that you're feeling anxious, right? So when we feel anxious, our immediate reaction is to push that feeling away and to just panic and be like, oh no, I'm feeling anxious. I can't feel anxious right now. I'm in public. I can't. This can't happen. I need to collect myself. Anxiety is going to ruin everything. And when we think all those thoughts, we completely make ourselves panic, right? So it's the sooner that you can accept the fact that you feel anxious, the less panic you'll feel, right? So step one, breathe and relax. Step two, accept that you are anxious, because it is okay to feel anxious, okay? It happens to the best of us, and it's a completely normal thing. It's okay to be anxious, okay? And step three is more about changing your mindset. So remember that anxiety is just fear, okay? And fear can't hurt you. Fear can make you feel panicky, but fear itself, there's no danger in that. So when you are feeling anxious, there's no actual danger present. You are just kind of like afraid of your own fear. So just remind yourself, anxiety is just a sensation that I'm feeling, and there's no real danger. I am okay in this moment, okay? So, again, take deep breaths, relax your body, accept that you are feeling anxious because it's okay to feel anxious. And step three, remember that there is no real danger present, okay? You are okay, it's just fear, and you are in control, okay? Step four, and the final step, is to listen to your anxiety to an extent. So when you are feeling anxious, maybe your body needs something. Maybe you need to eat something. Maybe you need to drink some water, get some more sleep. Maybe you need to practice some self-care. Who knows? If your anxiety is telling you something, maybe you need to listen and give your body what it needs. So, and I'm not saying, so sometimes anxiety will put thoughts in our minds. So let's just say you are trying out for a sport or a musical or a play. And of course you're feeling anxious. You're feeling nervous. You're not sure how you're going to do. You're worried about messing up. Your anxiety might tell you, you can't do this. You're way in over your head. You can't handle this. Now don't listen to that anxiety, because that anxiety is, that might be a little self-sabotaging if you listen to that. But maybe your anxiety is saying, like, I need a confidence boost. I need some self-love right now, and that'll help me to be able to perform at my best. So, in that sense, maybe give yourself some compliments. Maybe talk to a loved one who will boost your confidence and make you feel good. So listen to your anxiety in terms of what you need to be able to do what you need to do and function at your best. So, again, one more recap. When you feel anxious, what do? Breathe, relax your body, accept how you're feeling, accept that you feel anxious. Remind yourself that there is no real danger present and it's just fear. And give yourself what you need, whatever you need to lessen those feelings of anxiety and to be able to do what you need to do. All right. Good luck. You got this. You are in control. And thank you for listening.